Anxiety and depression. A person with anxiety disorder feels in danger, is always worried and has many thoughts. Fear can be mistaken for heart attack, and it might manifest with sudden pains. Symptoms include agitation, fatigue, concentration and memory problems, propensity to anger, body stiffness, and difficult sleeping. Panic attacks are characterized by the sudden onset of deep fear or discomfort that lasts a few minutes but reach a high intensity. Panic attack symptoms affect the person's heart, breathing, feeling of suffocation, and mind, fear of dying or going crazy. In case of anxiety or panic attacks, the person needs to see their general practitioner, who can prescribe anxiety medication or can issue a request to access the consultation service with primary care physicians. A community psychologist who activates therapy groups in the hospital might be involved. In case of emergency, the person can go to the emergency room, where they will be referred to the corresponding mental health center, CSM in Italian. A person suffers from major depressive disorder if they experience at least 2 episodes of depression. A depressed person feels sad, empty, and hopelessness most of the day, almost every day. Appetite changes and they sometimes lose weight. Interest or enjoyment in daily activities diminish. Sleep problems, especially in the form of early morning awakenings, might occur. The person often presents with lack of energy and lack of focus and concentration. Depression is associated with the high risk of suicide. Physical symptoms, back, head, and abdominal pain might develop. The person needs to consult their general practitioner or the local mental health center, CSM. For a person with anxiety and depression disorders, people who live close to them can play a crucial role in supporting them.